scene to you. It's a dinner time at your home. Everyone is sitting together. The food is on table, and then your father look at you, not angrily, not loudly, just quietly with tired eyes. And he asks, "Beta, कुछ हुआ क्या आज?" You know what he is really asking? He's not asking about your day. He's asking about, did anyone call? Did any company replies? Is there any news? And you look down at your plate because the answer is same as yesterday and the day before that. If you leave that dinner, this video is for you. And I also want to say something to any parents also watching this. Please watch this fully, because what your child is going through right now, it's not laziness, it's not attitude, it's the real crisis happening in right now in April 2026. And after watching this, you will understand completely. Let me start from the beginning. Most Indian middle class families, they saved everything for one dream: your education. Private engineering college fee in 2026 6 to 12 lakh rupees for 4 years. MBA at mid-level college 8 to 20 lakh rupees, and that is just a college fee. Add hostels, add laptops, add coachings, add books. Most families end up spending and borrowing 10 to 25 lakh rupees. Let a number sit for a second. 10 to 25 lakh, your father's saving, your mother's gold, a bank loan with EMI that are being paid every month. Right now, as you watch this, and the family had one belief: पढ़ लो बेटा, degree लो, job आएगी. That was the promise, that was the deal. Your parents kept their side, they paid everything, they sacrificed everything, and now you are sitting at home, degree in hand, and the job is not coming, and nobody is angry on you, but the silence at home is heavy. You feel it every morning when you wake up, and you feel it every evening when your father come at home. You feel it when your relative calls you and asks, क्या चल रहा है बेटा, job मिली? That weight, that guilt, that feelings letting people down, that is real, and this is one of the most painful thing a young person can carry. The real numbers, April 2026. Now let me show you that this is not just your family situation. This is happening millions of families across India right now in April 2026. Here are the actually numbers. India youth unemployment rate for the ages 15 to 29 has risen 15% in March 2026, but the real number for educated graduate is nearly 45% of graduate under 25 years old, according to the latest 2026 report. 4 out of every 10 young graduate no job. And here is the number that explain your parent confusion. India adds roughly 5 million graduates every year, but only about 2.8 million graduate level jobs are created annually. Every single year, more than 2 million young people graduate, and there is simply no job waiting for them. And your parent is grow up in a different time. When you got a degree, a job followed. That was just how it worked. But the world is changed. Nobody told your parents, nobody told your college, and honestly, nobody told you either. Only 14% of new hire across industry in 2025 are freshers, down from 18% in 2024. Companies are hiring fewer and fewer freshers every year, and the ones that are hiring, they are looking for skills that most colleges never taught you. This is not your failure. This is a system that change faster than education could keep up. So, what's your parents don't know and what you are afraid to tell them? Here is the hardest part of the whole situation. Here is the gap between what your parents believe and what is actually happening, and you are stuck in middle of it. Your parents believe you just need to apply more, network more, maybe your resume needs updating, maybe you are being too picky, and you cannot tell them the truth because you do not want to break their hope. Maybe you try to explain, they do not fully understand because they had never heard about ATS. They do not know what the keyword filter is. They do not know many job portals track how candidates interact with job listings, how often they apply, how quickly they apply, and mass apply of dozen of jobs in a short time can negative impact how system rank a profile. They don't know that the more blindly you apply, the more invisible you can become. And there is also something else happening at your home, the comparison. शर्मा अंकल के बेटे को जॉब मिल गई, नेहा कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में सिलेक्ट हो गई, वो तो टीयर 1 कॉलेज से था, तुम भी ट्राई करो ना. Every comparison feels like a small cut, and not because your family wants to hurt you, because they love you and they don't know how else to push you forward. Naming family pressure as a source of stress, and in a culture that value family loyalty above almost everything. Saying my parents' station are harming me can feel like a betrayal even internally. You lose your family, you know how much they sacrifice, and you are drawing, but you cannot say loud. That is the real situation. Millions of freshers in India are living in April 2026. So the system that failed both of you parents and freshers. Now I want to explain something clearly to both freshers and parents watching this. The system failed you both. Here is how. Failed the student. Most colleges in India are teaching from syllabus that are 10 to 15 years old with no live industry exposure, no AI integration, no project based learning. Companies need graduate who can contribute from day one. Most colleges program do not build that, so you graduated fully but not job ready. Not because you were lazy, because what you were taught and what company needs are two completely different things. It failed the parents. The old map was simple. Engineering and medical leads to a job. The degrees is not the problem. The mismatch between degree and the market, that is the problem. And no one told parents that the map changed. They are still giving advice based on the world that no longer exists. And big job portals failed you too. When you go to any big job portals and apply, your resume first goes to a software program called ATS, a robot. The companies are used to shortlisted at 65% of keyword match are now filtering 75 to 80% in 2026. The same resume that worked in 2024 now get rejected by ATS before anyone read it. Your application goes in, nothing comes out. Your family thinks you are not trying hard enough. You know you are trying your hardest. Both things are true and neither one is the full picture. The mental cost, what's nobody talk about. I want to talk about that's nobody talk about openly. What's this is doing to your mental health. Family and social pressures associating with job seeking activities along with higher expectations from university graduate act as a potential mediator of depression and stress disorder among university graduate exploring the job market. This is the really medical reality, not weakness, not attitude. Applying for a job for 6 months and hearing nothing, watching your family's savings go into EMIs, feelings like a burden in your own home, that does a real damage to a person. And the worst part is you cannot tell anyone. You cannot tell your parents because you don't want to worry them more. You cannot tell your friends because they are going through the same thing. You cannot go to a professional because there is still stigma. So you sit alone every single day. I am not going to give you the motivational speech here. I am just going to say what you are feeling is valid. What you are experiencing is real and it is happening to billions of people alongside you right now. You are not alone in this room. You are in a room of lakhs of people who feels exactly the same, and the solution is not feel better about the broken system. The solution is to find a way out of the broken system, and that is what the rest video is about. What actually happened to the job market. Let me give you the complete picture. What happened to jobs in India. In early 2026, the Indian IT sector has seen over 50,000 job cuts globally, impacting freshers are more. Freshers hiring in India, IT sector peaked at 6 lakhs in financial year 2022. It had already fallen to approximately 1,20,000 in financial year 2025, and 80% decline in just 3 years. 4 out of 5 IT jobs that exist for the freshers just 3 years ago gone. And it is not just IT. In 2026, SAP has become a standard part of education financing. Students choose the courses based on perceived salary potential rather than interest. Career becomes financially driven from the start. Your whole generation was pushed towards certain careers, engineering, MBA, IT, because those were the safe path. Now those paths are changed dramatically. But here is what also true, and this is important. 80% of companies are struggling to find the right fresher candidate to fill the vacancies. Job exists, companies are hiring, but the way they are hiring and the way they are applying, they are not matching. This is the real problem, not a lack of job, a broken connection between freshers and the job that are actually available. What to show your parents? A honest conversation guide. Now I want to give you something very specific. If your parents is watching this, great. If they are not, I want to give you a way to talk to them, because the gap between you and your parents right now is mostly the gap of information. They don't know what ATS is. They don't know that IT hirings are dropped 80%. They don't know that 40% of graduate under 25 have no job. They just know that their child at home and the EMI is running. Here is what you can say them simply, clearly, without fighting. Mummy, Papa, the job market changed a lot in last 3 years. It is not like it was when you were young. Big job portal have a system that filter out freshers automatically before the human even read the resume. 40% of young graduate in India are in the same situation right now. I'm not being lazy. The path I told to follow, the path I changed, I need a different approach now. Let me show you what I am doing, and then show them NN Hire. Show them there is a platform built especially for freshers. Show them that there are real verified jobs. Show them that your profile is live and visible to recruiters. Give them something real to see, because parents don't want to fight with you. They want to see progress. They want to see that you have a plan. Give them that. Now, why NN Hire is the right answer for this specific situation? Okay, now let me tell you exactly why NN Hire is the right platform for what you are going through. Not just for getting a job, but for this specific situation where your family is watching, the pressure is real, and you need actual progress. Reason 1, you become visible immediately. The moment you create the NN Hire profile, recruiters can find you. You don't have to wait for application to be proceed. You don't have to hope a robot did not filter you. A real human who can see your profile the same day. For the family waiting and watching, this is real movement. This is real action. Reason 2, your skills matter more than your college name. If you went to a tier 3 college, big job portal quickly rank you lower. Their algorithms favor IIT and NIT. On NN Hire, your college does not decide your ranking. What you can do decides it. A fresher from a small college with real skills get the same visibility that anyone else. Reason 3, every job listing is verified and real. No ghost job, no fake companies are asking for registration fee, no scams that waste your time and your family's money. Every single listing on NN Hire is checked by a real person. For the parents who worried about scams, this is important. This is trustworthy place. Reason 4, there is no premium, no paid shortlisting. Many big portals charge you to boost your application. Think about that. You are unemployed and they want you to pay, be seen. NN Hire does not do that. Every fresher has equal visibility, free without paying anything. Reason 5, non-IT jobs there too. Your family is not all engineers. Some of you are commerce graduates, arts students, diploma holders, BCA or BBA. NN Hire has verified listings, and NN Hire does not treat IT as the only part. Your action plan, what to do starting today. Okay, I want to give you the clear plan, not someday, today, not because of motivation, because your family watching. You should try the right way. Step 1, go to nnhire.com and create your profile right now. Free, write what you can do, not just what degree you have, your skills, your strength, one project you have done. Step 2, stop applying every job you see. This is hard to hear, but spreading across 100 random jobs is hurting you. Pick one direction, one skill area, apply focus, apply specific. 5 right applications beat 100 wrong applications. Step 3, learn one new tools this week. One AI tool, one software, one skill, Google Analytics, Canva, Excel advanced functions, Python basics, anything. Then add it to your NN Hire profile. It takes 1 week. It changes how recruiters see you. Step 4, have one honest conversation with your family. Use what you learn in this video. Show them the number. Show them your NN Hire profile. Show them that you have a plan. That one conversation will reduce the tension at home by 50%. Step 5, follow up every application after 3 days. One message, short, professional. I applied for this role at your company. I would love to connect briefly. That one message. Most freshers never send it. The one who do get noticed. Before I end, I want to speak to both peoples watching this. To the freshers, you have been carry something very heavy. The weight of your family investment, the weight of their expectations, the weight of their broken system that nobody explained to you. And you have been carrying it alone, pretending you are fine, applying every day, hoping something change. You are not a failure. You are a person who give them a map and the road changed, and nobody gave you a new map. NN Hire is the new map. It will not solve everything in one day, but it will put you in front of real recruiters who are actually looking someone like you today. To the parents watching, your child is not lazy. They are not wasting time. They are fighting the system that was not built for them. The best thing you can do right now is not more pressure. It's one conversation where you say, I see how hard you are trying. Let us figure this out together. That one sentence will do more than any amount of pressure ever could. Go to nnhire.com, create your profile free, and within 10 minutes, let a real recruiters finally see you. You are working hard enough. It's the time the right recruiters notice you. वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो. उन दोस्तों को भेजो जो इस फेज से गुजर रहे हैं, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.